The Hyundai Ulsan plant is truly vast. It stands as the world's largest single automobile manufacturing facility. Located in southeastern Korea, this sprawling complex is more than just a factory. It is an industrial city dedicated to building cars. Millions of vehicles roll off its assembly lines each year. This plant is the heart of Hyundai's global manufacturing power. It showcases the company's ambition and engineering skill. The Ulsan plant is a testament to modern industrial might. It stretches over 5,000 hectares or more than 12,000 acres. The plant even has its own dedicated port. This allows for efficient shipment of raw materials and finished vehicles. Imagine 5 distinct car factories operating together. Each factory produces different models. Thousands of workers and robots operate here daily. The entire site hums with constant activity. It handles nearly every step of car production. This starts from processing raw steel. It continues through engine building and final assembly. Join us as we delve into the heart of this automotive titan. Discover the innovation driving Hyundai forward. The production capacity of the Ulsan plant is staggering. It can produce a new car roughly every 10 to 12 seconds. This translates to several thousand cars per day. Annually, the output can reach over 1.5 million vehicles. These numbers place Ulsan at the pinnacle of global car manufacturing. The plant operates with remarkable speed and efficiency. 5 independent factory units contribute to this massive volume. Each unit is a major production center in its own right. This output fuels Hyundai's presence in markets worldwide. Hyundai's Ulsan facility has a rich history of growth. Construction began in 1967. The first plant was completed in 1968. Initially, its capacity was modest. However, Hyundai had ambitious plans. Through consistent expansion and investment, Ulsan grew. By the 1980s, it was already a significant automotive plant. The 1990s and 2000s saw further massive development. This transformed it into the colossus it is today. The Ulsan plant serves as the backbone of Hyundai's manufacturing network. While Hyundai has plants globally, Ulsan remains central. Its immense capacity allows Hyundai to meet global demand effectively. The journey of a Hyundai car at Ulsan begins with raw materials. Huge coils of steel arrive regularly, often by sea. These coils are the basic ingredient for the car's body. The steel is first processed in the plant's own steel sheet facility. It is cut and prepared for the next stage. Quality checks ensure the steel meets Hyundai's strict standards. This initial step is crucial for the structural integrity of the vehicle. The plant's ability to handle raw steel on site is a key advantage. It allows for better control over quality and supply. Next, the processed steel moves to the stamping shop. Here, giant presses dominate the landscape. They stamp the flat steel sheets into complex three-dimensional shapes. These become the panels of the car doors, hoods, roofs, and fenders. The noise is tremendous, a testament to the forces at play. Precision dies ensure every panel is perfectly formed. Robots often handle the heavy steel sheets. This improves safety and efficiency in this demanding environment. From stamping, the panels travel to the body shop. This is where the car's skeleton, or body in white, takes shape. Hundreds of robots perform most of the welding. Section 4. Powering Progress, Engine Evolution and Electric Dreams. Hyundai's Ulsan plant also houses extensive engine manufacturing facilities. These are marvels of precision engineering. Here, traditional internal combustion engines, or ICE, are meticulously built. The process involves casting engine blocks and heads. Machining components to incredibly tight tolerances is essential. Assembly lines carefully put together hundreds of parts. These parts form the heart of many Hyundai vehicles. The complexity of modern engines requires sophisticated manufacturing techniques. Ulsan has mastered this art over decades. Technological advancements continuously improve Hyundai's engines. The company invests heavily in research and development. This leads to engines that are more powerful. They are also more fuel efficient. Emissions are reduced to meet stringent global regulations. Innovations include advanced fuel injection systems. Turbocharging technology is common. Variable valve timing also plays a role. The automotive world is shifting towards electrification. Hyundai is a key player in this transition. The Ulsan plant is adapting to produce electric vehicle components. Section 5. The Final Act, Assembling Excellence and Ensuring Perfection. The painted car body now enters the final assembly lines. This is often called the trim and chassis area. Here, the car truly comes to life. One of the most critical moments is the marriage. The powertrain, including the engine and transmission, is joined with the body. Thousands of other components are then installed. This includes the wiring harnesses, which are like the car's nervous system. Dashboard modules, seats, carpets, and headliners are carefully fitted. It is a complex sequence of operations. An incredible array of parts converges on the assembly line. These parts arrive from various suppliers or other sections of the Ulsan plant. The logistics involved are immense. Just-in-time delivery systems ensure parts arrive exactly when needed. This minimizes inventory and keeps the line moving smoothly. Workers install everything from windows and wheels to lights and badges. Each station has specific tasks. The car gradually transforms from a painted shell into a complete vehicle. The coordination required is a daily marvel of manufacturing. Human skill remains indispensable in final assembly. Section 6. Rolling off the line, modern marvels and technological triumphs. A diverse range of modern marvels rolls off the Ulsan assembly lines. The plant produces many of Hyundai's most popular global models. This includes well-known sedans like the Elantra and Sonata. Popular SUVs such as the Tucson and Santa Fe are also mainstays. Increasingly, innovative electric vehicles join this lineup. Models like the Ioniq 5 and Ioniq 6 showcase Hyundai's EV prowess. The flexibility of Ulsan's production lines allows it to build this varied portfolio. This caters to different market demands worldwide. These vehicles are packed with technological innovations. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADS, are becoming standard. Hyundai's SmartSense suite includes features like forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and smart cruise control enhance safety and convenience. Connectivity is another key area. Hyundai's BlueLink system offers remote services and telematics. Large touchscreen displays and digital cockpits create a high-tech cabin environment. These features make Hyundai cars smarter and safer than ever before. Ulsan is where these ideas become reality. Section 7. Ulsan's global reach and the road ahead, pioneering future mobility. The Hyundai Ulsan plant boasts its own dedicated port facilities. This is a significant logistical advantage. Once cars pass final inspection, they are driven to these docks. As many as 3 large car-carrying ships can berth simultaneously. Thousands of vehicles can be loaded and shipped out daily. These ships transport Hyundai cars to markets across the globe. North America, Europe, Asia, and other regions receive vehicles from Ulsan. The scale of this export operation is immense. It underscores Ulsan's role as a global automotive hub. Ulsan is central to Hyundai's worldwide strategy. It often serves as a mother plant. New production techniques and quality standards are developed here. These best practices are then shared with Hyundai's other manufacturing sites globally. This ensures consistent quality across all Hyundai vehicles. The plant's efficiency and scale provide a competitive edge. It allows Hyundai to compete effectively in the challenging global auto market. Ulsan is a benchmark for manufacturing excellence within the Hyundai Motor Group. The future of car manufacturing is rapidly evolving.